14:06 hours, 10 minutes ago, we called Morrison because our loaner forklift was leaking, and instantly, faster than Jimmy John's, and Jimmy John's is freaky fast, faster than Jimmy John's, Rylan is here on the job. Look at that.
Lightning quick.
Lightning quick. Dude's got mad skills. And you already found out what the problem is?
Hopefully.
Yeah?
Hope so.
Cool. We got a cracked cover down in here. This is the inside of the forklift, which is pretty badass. Check this out. Look at that. I want one of these engines in my car. That's
it's a Volkswagen
nice.
engine.
Really? It's a Volkswagen engine?
Sure is.
Oh, that's kick-ass. Look at that. We got Farfignugan and forklifting. Oh yeah. If you ever need a forklift in the Grand Rapids area or have problems with your forklift, you want to call Morrison Industrial Services. These guys are awesome and we love them. Morrison has been a sponsor of the Geek Group for like 10 years. They've been around forever. They're awesome. So, hi David and all the guys at Morrison. Thank you for sending Rylan over. He rocks. Rocks! 15:10 hours, we're unloading a Gaylord, and there you have it, a little bit of our neon sign transformer collection. That's kind of cool. That's the latest batch in. So, more fun as it happens.
Good.
Got it? Okay.
That's good. Stop.
Okay.
Hi, Steve.
Hello. Hi, Steve.
Can you help me yank this out?
Hi, Steve.
Kind of a janky pallet.
Grab the pallet. Ow. Drag that pallet. So what's up? Yeah, sure. I'm trying to decide which way is up, let alone what's up. You having a day? Oh yeah, lovely day.
What? I don't get it. Watch that tire.
Hang on. Let me get in focus. Wow.
And it's on full, it has full PSI on it and everything.
Oh, it's a rather heavy robot.
leaning more this way a lot more.
That's because it's heavier on that side.
Yeah. Is that on roll? It's... Chris,
What?
what's this cord go to?
Huh?
Understand?
What is what?
This cord go to? He just answered.
Look at the other end of it.
Yeah. I learned something new today. It's not the greatest thing to do for robots either. There might be a shoulder over here.
Thanks to the awesomeness of Steve and a whole lot of cleaning from the rest of the crew today, the air siren, once again, works. Oh yeah, it's angry. So we got that going. Are you happy, Batman?
Exhausted.
You've had a day. And we've got the laser supply up there, put away. So here, let's show them all the clean. Look at this. We've got big, giant, open, clean space that continues all the way around and back. We've been very busy today. And we've got a lot more stuff to tidy up because we have a giant row of transformers and inductors sitting in the middle of the room. But it's getting there. It's getting clean. We've got a VSL. Beautiful area back there. We've got, I don't even know, this is going to be the Jeff cage eventually back over there. I need a home for that thing. If you would like to host this in your art studio or something like that, let us know because it takes up half my damn room. But we've got lots of Gaylords empty today, lots of clean happening, and pay attention to this, this is important. You've seen the Gaylords, you've seen the Gaylord boxes we have around the lab. Well, oh yeah, here's a good example, okay. This is what they look like. Well, we have a whole bunch of these that we didn't use, and we want to sell them because I don't want to just throw them away. They're really awesome, and if you have kids, these are like instant fort. So,
Cooler than a refrigerator box.
oh yeah, way cooler than a refrigerator box because you can actually stand on these. They're really, really thick. We fill these with like 3,000 pounds of stuff and they take it just fine. I have a whole bunch of them that have never been used. We haven't even unfolded them because we didn't need them all when we moved. We're done moving now and we want to sell them and help raise money for the Geek Group. So if you want an instant fort, some slight imagination required for your kids and you're in the Grand Rapids area, get a hold of me. We're selling the boxes for just a couple bucks. We'll sell them for like 10 or 20 bucks a piece. Okay, come on down, bring a couple bucks, we'll send you home with a couple boxes and your kids can have an instant awesome fort. They are pure, basic, clean cardboard. There's no weird chemicals in them or anything like that. The ones that we're selling are brand new and have never been filled with stuff. And yeah, you want them, your kids want them, they make awesome forts. Buy a whole set and help support the Geek Group and our project here at the Leonard Street Labs. I'm Chris Boden. Thank you for watching today's Captain's Blog. That's Red, who is awesome. And this is Brad.
Hi.
Who's kind of a dork and nobody really likes. And then there's Moose.
Hi.
And there's Omni, the Wonder Dog, who's actually secretly in charge of everything here.
Yep.
Okay. You guys have fun? We'll see you tomorrow.
Meaning?
What? What?
Meanie.
I'm a meanie?
Yes.